Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're exploring a skincare staple that promises to heal, soothe, and comfort even the most irritated and dry skin. If you've been on the hunt for something that can help with everything from chapped hands to irritated patches, this product might just be the one for you. Introducing Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5, a therapeutic multi-purpose balm designed to nourish and heal dry skin. This fragrance-free, soothing ointment claims to be a go-to for everyone in the family, including babies. With its soothing properties, it's an all-around skin savior for irritated areas, whether on the face, body, or hands. Let's take a deeper look at what this balm actually offers. First off, the formula combines Panthenol, vitamin B5, to promote healing, and Madecassoside, which is known for its skin-soothing effects. It's designed to repair and protect compromised skin, working especially well on dry and irritated patches. The ointment is free from fragrances, making it ideal for sensitive skin, and it's safe enough to be used on babies too, a huge plus if you have little ones at home. During testing, I used this balm on various spots of dry, irritated skin, including my hands, which tend to get dry from frequent washing. I also tested it on an area where I had some mild eczema flare-ups. The texture is thick and creamy, but not greasy, and it absorbs relatively quickly, leaving the skin feeling nourished without being weighed down. It wasn't sticky, which was a nice bonus for a product designed to protect and heal. Throughout the testing period, I noticed a visible difference. Skin felt smoother and looked less inflamed after just a few applications. On the flip side, the texture might feel a little heavy if you're looking for something lighter or more hydrating. It's not a lotion, so it's better suited for areas in need of deep healing rather than regular hydration. Also, while it's designed to be multi-purpose, the packaging could be a little tricky to use for on-the-go applications, as it's in a small, round tub that requires you to dip your fingers in. A tube format might have been more convenient. When it comes to value, Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5 is a bit on the higher end compared to other multi-purpose balms on the market. However, considering the quality of ingredients and the brand's reputation for sensitive skin solutions, the price feels justifiable. If you're someone who regularly struggles with dry or irritated skin, the investment could be worth it. I also wanted to compare this to some other healing balms, and while there are some alternatives available, Roche-Posay definitely stands out due to its soothing formulation, the inclusion of Madecassoside, and the fact that it's a trusted brand in dermatology. Many cheaper options don't offer the same quality or level of care, especially when it comes to skin sensitivity. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy, but the tub format might not be the most convenient for everyone. The product itself, however, has a long shelf life and maintains its efficacy over time, making it a reliable staple in your skincare routine. I haven't had direct interactions with Roche-Posay's customer service, but the brand is well known for its responsiveness and commitment to dermatological standards. This is a brand you can trust, especially when it comes to sensitive skincare. If you're looking for something at a lower price point, there are alternatives like Aquaphor Healing Ointment or Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream, which also offer healing properties, though they may not contain the same specialized ingredients. To wrap things up, Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5 has definitely earned its place in my routine. It does exactly what it promises, heals dry, irritated skin, and leaves it feeling smooth and nourished. It's especially great for those with sensitive skin or families who need a go-to healing balm. If you're dealing with particularly stubborn dryness or irritation, I think this balm is a solid choice. But if you're looking for something lighter or with a different texture, there are other options out there to consider. If this review has been helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell so you never miss an honest review like this one. Your support helps us bring more expert content just like this to Beautyistic. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.